Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have AI read your script instead of you talking like I am right now. So go to text and add in your default text and just type whatever you want. I'm just going to type this randomly because I can't really think of a script right now. But you're just going to type it, and then once you're done, select text to speech and select the voice that you want the text to be in. So there is a lot of options. Some of them are pro, but some of them are not, like this queen one. Select
Just
it
type whatever you want.
and select start reading, and you'll have the audio here. That was loud. Anyways, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!